Tim Cheatham, very ironic name, 113, 115, Haney. David Sutherland, same score, 113, 115, Haney. Dave Maready is either senile or he is paid off to the max. 112, 116 is crazy. Isn't it amazing that you're an American fighter leaving the fight that should have been the most defining fight of your career, and you're getting booed in favor of somebody that comes from a completely different country? Sometimes you could win a fight and still lose. Sometimes you could lose a fight and still win. But this is taking it to the next level. I've never seen Tank get booed like that. You tell me what you think in the comment section. Was this the right decision?
Lomachenko won. I had it like 8-4 Lomachenko.
Were you surprised by the outcome? To be honest, yes. Devon, that's my guy. I was rooting for him the whole fight, but you know, what was it? 116, 112? That was crazy.
8-4 and then 2.
Sorry, man.
No problem.
You won that fight easy.
Right here. And one right here.
You won that fight easy.
Yes.
Easy.
And watch out with your watch and your wallet and everything, because oh my God, man. How did you have a score? Honestly, Lomachenko by 2 points. 2.